we are starting with lines and triangles. It is going to be a marathon session for 3.5 to 4 hours. So today's focus will be more on the theory part, because छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे variations हैं in geometry. So we'll try to cover as many as we can. और जब क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आई विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू इन रिकॉल ये कौन से टॉपिक का सवाल है, कौन सा थ्योरम लगेगा. Some theorems are like let's say mass point geometry. Usually conventional coaching classes, XYZ learning, PQR classes, they don't cover topics like mass point geometry in their class. So we'll cover those advanced topics as well. शुरू बिल्कुल बेसिक से होगा. What is a line, what is a triangle, length के concept, angle के concepts. Let's start. So lines and triangles. One. When we talk about lines, a line is supposed to go to infinite on both sides. A line cannot have a starting or an ending. This is a line. When we say ray, ray has a starting point, goes to infinite on any one side, either on the right side or on the left side. Ray has a starting point. When we say line segment, a line segment must have a starting and also a ending. That is called a line segment. So because our notebooks are finite, we always say line, we mean line segment. Our notebooks cannot go to infinity. Infinite तक तो length हो भी नहीं सकता.